How to record phone calls on an iPhone iOS 18. Let's get started. Launch your settings, scroll down, navigate to the option of General, head over to the option of Software Update. Make sure you have updated your software version to the 18th. After you check that, you can hit back, go to the main page of settings. Now scroll down, click on the option Apps. Now navigate to the option of Phone. Once you find it, open it. Now here you're going to find different option. You'll also find the option of call recording. Enable for that option. Once you do that, now you can make a call. Now while you are in the call, at the top left corner you're going to find this call recording icon. Clicking on that, your call will be recorded. Both the person will get notification that the call is being recorded. Once you're done with the recording process, you can click on this icon again. With that, the recording will be saved to your Notes app. So this is how you can easily record phone calls on an iPhone iOS 18. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.